Greeting, this is Mark. Well, we're going to be looking at Google Classroom and some of the things that we can actually do in Google Classroom. Or we can set an assignment, or we can schedule assignment and all of that. So I'll be taking you through this particular area right here. So as you can see so far, this is the instruction, right? So how to sign into Google Classroom, how to save an assignment to the draft in Google Classroom, how to schedule an assignment in Google Classroom, how to assign an assignment in Google Classroom right here, so how to write an announcement page, right? So very important. So we're going to go through this particular section step by step. So the first thing we want to do is to bring up the internet browser here, and then we're going to sign in, right? So we're going to select an email right here. So while you select an email right there, we're going to put in the password. I ask you a password right here. So while you're putting in the password, then we're going to press enter or next right here. And as soon as you press that particular section there, you actually see that it's actually processing right here. Very important. So as soon as you get into the classroom, you're going to see exactly what are some of the basic stuff based upon instruction, what we can actually do, right? So right here, we're actually right into Google Classroom, right? So the next thing we want to do, we want to bring up the instruction and see what next. Alright, so right here, it's how to save an announcement to draft. Alright, so very important. We're going to do that. So we see the announcement to draft. Alright, so there we go. We're going to click right here. Then we're going to create. And then we're going to click on an assignment, right? So first we want to upload something. We're going to come right here and upload. While you come right in upload, notice it's right here, so recent. Show you upload, show you my drive, right? And if you can see right here, the Google Meet, here's a photo. This is where it's a blank quiz. Alright, I'm going to click on that. I'm going to bring it up right here. You can notice it, show you right here. So I'm going to click and put a tag here. And so for instance, it has to do with computer. So I'm going to write computer right here. So I'm going to say computer test right there. I'm going to come down here, sir. I'm going to put some instruction into the following, right? As an example, test below, right? You have that right there. So do the following test below. So when you finish now, you're going to come right over here, right, to assign, right? What we notice right here, we show you how many students in the class or whatever. So you can come right here, because what we wanted to do is to save the draft. So you're going to come right here, and this is save the draft. We're going to click on draft. So while you click on draft, you notice it's right here, right? So we actually complete that one, how we did the draft, right? Second thing that we want, third thing that we want to do, how to schedule an assignment, right? So that's the next thing we want to do, how to schedule the assignment. So we're going to come back again. We're going to click on the assignment right there. Right, so this time we're going to add a YouTube video here. So we're going to click. I'm going to type how to create a basic Microsoft right here video Word, just like that. Then we're going to click. And if you notice, it actually processes it. So you can actually scroll up here. I'm going to select this video right here. So as soon as I click on it, you notice right here, it actually shows. So we're going to click on that. So as soon as I click on that, you notice it's right here. So up here, we're going to put a title right here. So you have to do it MS Word. Right. So we're going to put MS Word. So right down here now. So we're going to say watch the video below for test next week. Just like that. And then what you wanted to do is come right here, you're actually going to put a topic to it. You notice I have computer right there, right? And then you're going to come right here, and what you're going to do, you're going to assign, or you can come right here and press the same thing as assign, right? Actually assign it, right? So very important here, right? So there you go. So let us bring up instruction again to see what is next, right? So the next thing that we wanted to do definitely here is to schedule the assignment, right? Or to schedule the assignment, right? Notice we just assigned it a while ago, so we want to schedule it this time, right? So what we wanted to do, we're going to go back to create, and we're going to click assignment right here. So we're going to upload something right here from the desktop. When you click right there from the desktop, here is a browse, going all the way to the desktop district, right? So now we're going to go here and click on this photo right here. Then we click on open, and then you're going to upload it. So while it uploads here, right? So we have to do it here. So photo, right? Just giving some example here, and then we're going to click right here and put in an example, right? Put an example, right? So the photo below, right? So you're going to do that right there. And as you can see right over here, you can come right over here, so and put a topic right there, computer. So what we want to do to schedule it, so you're going to come right here as you go find and click, and this is your schedule. Then you click on your schedule, you bring up this particular one here. So you're going to click on this little pointer here, you're going to schedule that time. Right, I'm going to put it for the 28th. Notice 8 o'clock, I can actually change it if I want, and then I'm going to click, and that's exactly how I actually schedule it. Right, so it's very important. So the next thing that we wanted to do here is how to write an announcement in Google Classroom. Right, so we're going to write an announcement. First, we have to come right here to the stream page, and if you notice right here, so write an announcement. So we're going to click, right? So what we can say, welcome to class today. Just like that. When you do that, just scroll up a little right here. I gone up too much, a little. Right, so correct this right here. Get rid of this one right here. Alright. Now you should right here that I can actually post it. Right, so I'm going to click right here, and that's exactly how you write the announcement. Right, so very important how you write the announcement. You notice right here, announcements are welcome. Right, very important. So I hope you have learned something from this particular video here. So remember to share it with a friend and all of that. Very important.